one thing that I've noticed while driving in hilly areas during night time is, yeah, of course you're going to use high beam. ठीक है, हर कोई high beam पे चलाएगा. But with Himachali drivers, सामने अगर HP की गाड़ी दिखी ना, if they see you coming or passing, they will switch to low beam. And it's a great feeling when you do it first and then they respond to it, and then they switch to low beam as well. And as soon as they pass through you, they switch to high beam again. It's like a bro code, like mutual respect earned. However, सबसे खराब गाड़ियाँ पता है कौन चलाते हैं यहाँ पे? दिल्ली वाले. अगर उनकी लो बीम पे भी है ना, फिर भी हाई बीम पे चलाते हैं. So where am I? I'm somewhere around Bunter, around 3.5 kilometers away from Kasol. Been a decent trip so far. Had some good chai and stuff. And एक चीज़ बता रहा हूँ, no more cut, no more intermittent fasting. Mini cut अच्छा गया, 24 days बढ़िया थे. However, I'm not going to stop it. I'm just going to pause it for the next 4 days because मेरी philosophy है, if you come out, you gotta have fun, man. You can't keep counting your macros. Or neither do I have to get on the stage. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I'm doing it for myself. So next stop, I will see you in Kasol. Finally checking in this Game of Thrones themed hostel. I don't get the point. Why is everyone obsessed with it? हर कोई Game of Thrones के पीछे पागल गया. It wasn't that great.
I think that's a really good concept of.
Please name the characters. Night's King.
You've been asked to name the characters. He's that वो नॉर्थ में रहता है ना? What's his name? He has a thing for the tall lady.
Giant spade. Tarly. Okay.
उसके बाद
Oh nice. We have something more interesting. Some rum. And I don't get the obsession with Game of Thrones. It's good, but उसके लिए एक पूरा हॉस्टल बना दिया भाई. So I'm not going to be noisy. Disturb नहीं करूँगा. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Guess what? I have a different opinion about this place altogether because they have a sick gym. I wouldn't say it's great, but having a gym out here is a big deal. And you know, imagine walking out to this. I think it would be a great experience. But actually, my friends are out there. They're waiting. They have few plans lined up. So I don't want to be that guy जो बोले कि यार मुझे आधा घंटा दे दो, मुझे वर्कआउट करना है. आई थिंक इट्स ओके टू स्किप अ वर्कआउट मैन. पूरे साल वर्कआउट करता हूँ, 1-2 दिन स्किप कर ले क्या हो गया. विल हेड डू सम ट्रेकिंग फर्स्ट. उससे पहले गेट सम नाइस फूड. बहुत हो गई वॉकिंग. लेट्स गेट सम गुड फूड. I feel this is one of the underrated cafes in Kasol. अगर आप नहीं आए तो give it a shot. If you plan on coming here, I would highly recommend the burgers. The juicy patty along with the organic salad is something which will not disappoint you. Something that I would highly recommend you guys is the cheesecake over here. Give it a shot. If you like something which is not too sweet and have a little bit of sourness in it, then cheesecake is the thing. Look at the price. It's just 80 bucks. 80 रुपीज़ में आपको मिल रहा है. और क्या चाहिए आपको? सेम चीज़ दिल्ली या यूपी में you might probably get it for, I don't know, 200 bucks with the same quality. Trust me. All right, checking in, and look at what I just noticed. Life is a bitch, then you die, so fuck the rules and let's get high. How wannabe is this? क्या है ये? I'm not a 12th standard kid who wants to get high. Like this is just cringe. Sorry, I'm not a fan of this. Let's go in. Alright, camping is great. I'm not a hater, but it's just that last night wasn't one of the greatest camping experience ever because we slept around 6. Camping में होता है कि it's very cozy during the night time. However, when the sun is out, it gets scorching hot. It's just too hot and I couldn't handle the heat. So I just had like 3 hours for myself to sleep. Decided that we'll go with something more luxurious. So we opted for this hotel. It's a pretty decent hotel. Amazing view, great view. It's just right there in front of the Parvati Valley. जो पहली बार आते हैं like हाँ पहाड़ देख लिया camping करके no man, I need a little bit of comfort. Come on, I want to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours when I'm here and then go out and do stuff. So anyways, what's the plan now? अभी कुछ नहीं, go out, eat and get some great food. Yeah. Alright, where are we? Evergreen Cafe, again same place. हर साल यहाँ पे आता हूँ. I make sure I have the schnitzel over here, but today for a change I'm not having the schnitzel again because I'm bored of having chicken on a daily basis. I wanted to have something veg, desi, something light, easy. And yeah, I'll give you an estimation. It's probably going to be around 600 calories. If I push myself too much, might be 700 calories. But again, ये में है कि I'm not doing intermittent fasting. I'm not doing any sort of cardio, nothing. But there's one tiny bit of discipline which I'm trying to incorporate, which is not to overeat. Binge eating avoid कर रहा हूँ. I'm gonna dig into some dal. Actually, dal makhni है. Dal makhni, paneer butter masala and mixed veg. Not bad. Smooth as usual. पूरे साल chicken खाते रहते हैं. I wanted to relax. Have something which doesn't require so much of jaw effort. So opted for some desi stuff. दोस्तों, मुझे आपको एक मन की बात बतानी थी. पता है, मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं अपनी 9 to 5 जॉब क्विट कर दूँ. कुछ कसौल की जो ये हसीन वादियाँ है ना, इन्हें मुझे छोड़ के जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा. हिल्स हैव ऑलवेज बीन कॉलिंग मी. आई हैव बीन अ वंडर लस्टर. आई थिंक माई पर्पस इन लाइफ इज़ टू ट्रैवल. मुझे ट्रैवलर बनना है और मैं ट्रैवलर बन के रहूँगा. Anyways, realistically speaking, what to expect from Kasol? It's basically a no judgment zone. You can come here, do whatever the fuck you want and कोई आपको कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. Everyone is here to mind their own business. Secondly, एक चीज़ बता रहा हूँ. Doesn't matter if you're a stoner or not. You need to come here, man. Just enjoy the place, enjoy the serene vibes and relax. And yes, it has lost its charm given the commercialization over the recent 5 years. सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक ये है कि I see a lot of plastic bottles here and there which I never saw 5 years ago. जो भी इस वीडियो को देख रहा है, just it's a tiny request that I want to make. Just make sure you carry your fucking plastic bottles or whatever plastic you have and put a little bit of effort to put it in the right place. Dispose करने में कर लो यार. इतना वेट उठाते हो, ये करते हो, वो करते हो, इतना तो कर सकते हो, ठीक है. So appreciate the Kasol watch. And I'm going to wrap up this video right here. And next up is Tosh, which is the part 2. If you like the video, like it, share करो, subscribe करो, जो करना है सब करो, and make your natty senpai happy. Alright? Cheers guys, take care.